Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix message notification not working on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and click on messages app. After click on messages app, click on force stop. After force stop SMS app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Scroll down and click on display and brightness and click on schedule and check sleep schedule. After check sleep schedule, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, again click on settings app, click on sound and vibration and click on do not disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last option is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, so click on reset all settings. Click on reset and enter your phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix message notification not working on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.